If I were getting married, this is the makeup I would do, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, brows are on. We're gonna go in and start prepping the skin. This is the Outset Prep Serum. The brush is from Sephora. It is their number 47 brush. For the under eye, I'm using the Ilia Bright Start Eye Cream. Everything in this tutorial is gonna be applied with a brush. And then I immediately contradict myself. I'm gonna actually prep my lips with a plumping gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat and Glass Slipper. Back to the skin, I'm doing the Stay Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. Just a thin layer though, you want the foundation to still be able to sink into the skin. Quick once over with my beauty blender. Now it's time for foundation. This one is from Pat McGrath. It's a little light for me right now, but we'll make it work. And I am starting with the lightest layer. I will add more as needed. I just want to keep the skin looking like skin. I'm gonna leave the skin and move to eyes. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. I'm gonna blend that light neutral brown into the crease. If you are not a confident blender, take your blending brush. This is the Sigma E25, and you're just gonna tap along the crease or wherever you're applying your shadow. This is gonna deposit the color right where you want it, and then once almost all the shadow is off the brush, you're just gonna blend out the edges. And I'm using small, pretty much circular motions. Switching to this cream shadow from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Oyster Pearl. I'm gonna start by applying it to the middle of the eyelid, and then I'll work that into the outer corner and up just to meet the crease. Same product, different color. This is Champagne. This is gonna go from the inner corner, and then I'm gonna drag it to meet the middle of the lid and that other shadow. Back to my Mario palette. I'm gonna take that almost white shade and press it at the innermost part of the eye. It doesn't need to be super opaque. This is just gonna open up the eye that much more. Back to the palette, medium brown shadow, flat shader brush, and we're gonna deepen up the outer corner starting at the lash line. And then with a domed shadow brush and a little bit more eyeshadow, we're gonna blend that out. Next, I'm doing the Pat McGrath eye pencil in Black Coffee. I'm going across the entire lash line, but keep it thin. And then with this warm brown shadow, I am going to blend that liner out. Go to part 2.